You know, Musa alayhi salam was a young man. Guys, listen to this carefully. Musa alayhi salam was a young man. He was extremely muscular. He was powerful. He was very wealthy. He was raised as a prince. He was living in the castle, the biggest house of the time. Young man with money and muscle and power and wealth and intelligence. He could do whatever he wants. Nobody can stop him. He can do whatever he wants. He can have whatever he wants. You guys make a little bit of money and think like you own the world. You know? You get a little bit of extra money and you put new rims on your car or whatever, and you know, yeah, mate. Yeah, nah, yeah. No. He has all of this, and yet he aims higher than any of it. Allah decides to raise the greatest heroes of Islam in the darkest places. You guys are living in dark times. We're living in dark times. But that's not a reason to be depressed. You have been chosen to be members of this ummah so you can be a source of light in these dark times. This is how Allah raises heroes for His ummah.